When I'm doing my reference gathering, I've mentioned previously that I choose a left or right-handed light source. I think it's more interesting looking at an object and shooting it from one side or the other, as opposed to a washed out look that I get when I take a flash or shoot something with the sun right on it, or backlit. I don't enjoy that as much because things get put into the shadows. And this particular girl has what I'd consider a good light source. There's some reflected light coming in on this side and some warm, positive, strong light coming in from the right-hand side. As an artist that's doing pencil work, you might have distractions in here when you start thinking about the colors. One of the things I'd suggest to do is take your reference and make a black and white copy of it. Print it out on a black and white printer, and you should get some good ideas of how your pencil drawing has to go. We're transitioning into something known as values. So as a teacher, I want to point out the importance of values and using them correctly. It doesn't matter which subject you're using. It could be people, but this light source is very flat, and not a lot of attention comes from this particular girl's contrast, light and darks. Neither does this one, where she's in the shadows. Beautiful pictures, if you see them in color, you get the idea of the jewelry or the beads that they wear, but you don't see that when you're doing a pencil study of it or a black and white study.